I'm handsome.
Very handsome. Ang sabi ng lola, very handsome. Wala ang tiwala sa apo mong panganay.
I'm so handsome, Lola.
Aha.
I'm ugly.
Let's go. Para saan?
Secret. Magpapaputok si Kuya Jake dito, di niya alam. Ganyan lang. Nakalimutan yung bagoong, walang bagoong.
Pero tayo bagoong. Tugo na lang, tugo. Anong klase naman kasi yun?
I don't know. Dito, may bago. May bago. Bastos ka, mayaman.
Oh, I'm good for right
Wala
now.
like it?
Thank you so much.
Anong klase naman tong assistant ni Kenneth eh. Oh. Walang lighter eh. Oh.
Walang writer dyan. Nandito lang yan. Nandito lang. May lighter dito pero bago.
Alright, everybody, are you enjoying the tour? This is going to get a lot more so you can come back and come back and come back. Come back to the young and beautiful you. Okay, so right now while you guys are meeting, we're gonna have so we have friends here that's gonna pass you a paper. So we need, this game is like a pair. So get yourself a pair, and then you guys are gonna go through this paper together. Don't open it. So when they hand it to you, when they hand you the paper, don't open it until I say so. Okay? So go ahead. One pencil, one paper for a pair. I hope everybody will join the games. Let's do this for Aya and Ken. So Erica and Kat and Rex are giving away the paper and the pencil. Don't open it yet, please. Wait for my instructions.
Hindi naman halata eh.
Yes, please. Keep it folded for now until I tell you guys to open it, okay? Fold it.
Nay, kamusta ang pagkain?
Okay.
How's the food?
Everybody have paper ready? You got a pair already? Do you have your pair with you? You guys are gonna answer it together. You're gonna play it as a team. Okay. Okay.
Ay, may upuan pa doon, Aya. Malapit kila Kuya Jun mo. Kila Kuya Jun mo, may upuan pa sa kabila yata.
Okay. So, everybody got their paper and pencil already? Okay. So, this game is called Jumble Words. So there's like jumble words, like 10 words. I think there's like 10 words. I'm sorry, 15 words. So those are all like baby related stuff. Baby related words, okay? So either you have 3 minutes to finish it with your pair, okay? So after 15 minutes, you're gonna raise your pencil. Sorry. For only 3 minutes, we need to be out here. So you guys have 3 minutes to finish it. And then after 3 minutes, we're gonna ask you to put up your pencil. Start up, okay? So are you guys ready? Let's see your energy. Are you guys ready?
Ito, pek-pek.
Wrong spelling wrong. Okay?
High chair.
Mom, you're a mom, right? You're the mom. Oral. Yo, mom, help me.
Teddy bear.
Help me, what is that? Hey!
No copying.
Make it work here.
Oral.
Oh, it has to be for a baby. No, crap. It's a baby word, remember. Oh, you smart.
No cheating. No cheating.
Alright, alis na
Malay, may game. Malay, hindi mo kayo utak sa bahay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ay, malapit na rito. Almost, almost.
Don't forget to put your name and the name of your partner.
Woo! Cha, malapit na cha.
Wala eh.
Mari, almost?
Almost. We got enough so far.
Good job, good job, good job, Mari, good job. Almost, almost, almost.
Wala, baka mag-disqualify.
Oh, malapit na. Almost, almost.
30 seconds!
30 seconds, 30 seconds. Ano, malapit na, malapit na.
Tapos na, tapos na. Tapos na.
Very good, very good.
Tapos na. Ang nakatakda ay nakatakda na.
Nakatakda na nga eh. Ay, oo nga no.
Spelling good. Wrong spelling.
Almost, almost, almost. Nandadaya! May nandadaya dito!
Pencils up! Pencils up!
Pencils up. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Pencils up! You're gonna exchange your paper to the other pair next to you. So you're gonna switch your paper to the pair next to you. You're not supposed to check your own paper, okay?
No, check mo, pa-check mo. Pa-check mo kay RJ, yeah, pa-check mo.
Ready?
Habit check, pa-check mo kay Flor. Pa-check mo yung kay Flor. I-check mo kay Flor.
Okay. Alright, please check your neighbor's paper for number one. What's the answer for number one? Yay! Okay, number two? White. Alright, number three? Alala mo naman pala nila, pero pag tayo ng games. Okay, number four. Diaper. Number five. Ano nga? Pacifier. Alright, number six. Shampoo. Number seven. Healer. Alright, number eight. Mukhang silang tricky lahat yan. Number 7 is healer. Number 8 is lullaby. Number 9! Teddy bear! Ang
Dito, may nandaya.
Very good this time Parang 100 ano to 100% grading to. Okay, grade number 12. Okay, we would want the right spelling of fruity, okay? Not the other one, okay? Alright. Number 13. Black and number 14. Breast. Breastfeed. Breastfeed. Okay, number 15. Varsity. Okay, total the points. Alright, please total the points. Alright, now, who got the perfect score? 15. Who got 15? 15. Okay, come on, first you got 15. That's perfect. Come on. Is there someone that perfect score? You have a prize. Legit po, legit. 15. You got 15 points. Alright. Hi. Congratulations, let me see. Okay. It's for Kat and Magic. Alright. So, dalawa. Very good.
Kaya pa.
Okay, next. Sumat 14. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami talaga. Surprises. Congratulations. Sa over kita 14 points. Okay. Meron kang 14 points. 14 points. Okay. Congratulations. Alright.
Yan na, kain pa.
Okay, so that's it for the kids and pencils review. We have another game that will be presented. So congratulations to all the winners. I think lahat sila may anak at napagdaanan lahat ito. Okay, our next game.
Japan
Okay,
chicken.
yes, more chances of winning. They're gonna hand you again another set of papers.
Chicken wings again. Ayun o.
Okay, over there.
Ayun o.
By Yasin, by fair again, by